Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right paper and preparing your paint. This is the only way to prevent warping and get smooth coverage. Use 200-300 GSM or watercolor paper and tape the edges to a board. This keeps the sheet flat while you work. Thin acrylic with a little water or a glazing medium to match the opacity you want, but not so much that it loses binder. Keep a test scrap and a spray bottle nearby for reactivating surface sheen as you go. Once your paper is primed by the initial thin wash, block in large shapes with diluted paint to establish values and color temperature. Make sure each thin layer dries for 10-30 minutes depending on humidity. Patience prevents dragging. Use synthetic brushes for controlled edges and a clean damp brush to lift or soften transitions when needed. Build opacity in 2-4 successive layers rather than one thick coat. This reduces cracking, keeps texture subtle, and lets you refine details as the image develops. Finish by adding crisp details with a small liner or slightly thinned paint and allow the sheet to dry fully, ideally 24 hours before sealing. You can protect the work with a sprayed or brushed acrylic varnish. Test the varnish on a scrap to avoid uneven sheen. If a section dulls or skins over, lightly mist and reactivate, then rework. If small bumps form, sand gently with fine paper and repaint that area. This method keeps the paper stable and the paint layer durable for display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.